This brand is made in America by Unitary Products Group, which is a part of Johnson Controls, and the furnaces are sold in the USA and Canada through a factory-authorized dealer network. They use aluminized steel primary heat exchangers which resist corrosion but are not as durable as brands that use stainless steel. The furnaces use hot surface ignition, which is quieter and more reliable than brands that use spark ignition. The brand is backed by a pretty good warranty, and all of the units use durable ECM blower motors which are quieter, more energy efficient, and more durable than brands that use PSC motor technology. The TM9E models are basic 95% AFUE efficient gas furnaces with a fixed speed blower motor, but the guarantee on the heat exchanger is not as good as the other models or brands. The TM9Y is a premium 2-stage furnace with a 2-speed inducer and a fixed speed motor, while the TM9V model has a variable speed blower motor and the ability to communicate with the other parts of the home's HVAC system to maximize comfort and efficiency. The YP9C models are ultimate gas furnaces with a 98% AFUE combustion efficiency and modulating capability for enhanced comfort and energy savings. They adjust the gas flow to the furnace in 1% increments to precisely match the heating requirements of the home. This provides longer heating cycles, which provides more even temperatures throughout the home. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.